Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it. This is my live account. I'm going to trade on this section, which is OTC market, and I will show you how to trade in this market. Okay, let's see, we have different pairs here, and I have set some alerts in some very important level, resistance level and support level. Whenever the price touch one of these level, I will be looking at some entry points. Okay, like this, for example, the price just touched one of my support level, which was this one, and I enter a position here. But let's do it on live. So let me check. Remember, this is a support level too. As you can see here, we have a new low. If this low is broken by this candlestick, I can make a put option. As simple as that. So I want to invite you to join us our Facebook group, which is on the description of this video. It's below this video, and below this video, if you are completely new, there is a complete tutorial about this broker, how to start step by step doing all of this. It's not something so complex, guys. I have set another alert just here on this level of support, so we just need to wait. Okay, let me place this alert here on this load. Okay, here we go. We have set an alert here on this resistance level. Price is breaking up this level, and we are going to make a call option. Yeah, it is a call option because the candlestick closed above this high. If the price come back to the half of the candlestick, I can make another call option, and yeah, I would do it just to cover the first one in case of losing the first one. Let's wait. I will wait until this candlestick close. I think we can win this one too, because remember, after any breakout, the price will make a pullback. Okay, we have another alert. Yeah, look what is happening here. All right, it's a great entry point, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, we made another call option here. You can see that we won both the two entry we want, because we are following the breakout. We are doing the same here. Okay, let me do that again. I made another call option here just because the price gave me the opportunity, okay, to take another call option in the pullback. Okay, let's wait to see what happened. I think we can win both. Guys, if you want to learn more about this trading strategy, I want to invite you to my website, which is completely free, tradingtoearn.com. There you will find a lot of tips about this strategy, how to trade with the breakout. It's very simple, but it's very effective, guys. Very effective. We can make another call option here, but that was it. That's it for today. Let me see if I can make another. Yeah, it's an optimum price. I think it's a low price here. It's a cheaper price because this is a pullback too. It's a pullback of this great momentum. And remember, this is the OTC market. In the OTC market, and also we are on the last hour of the OTC market, so that's why I'm not going to to continue making the trading section, because on the last hour of this OTC market it's a little bit complicated. It's very volatile, the market. But let me explain to you why I made this trade. Okay, let me explain to you in simple words what happened to this trade. The first odd I have on my favor is that the previous market trend was an uptrend. Okay, that's the first signal. The second signal, okay, if we can do here, this resistance line is a very important resistance line, because the price tried to break that line before, tried to reach this line before, tried to break this resistance line before. It tried again, and it tried again one more time, and this time it broke the line. And the third signal is this kind of breakout. We can see this candlestick is a very strong bullish candlestick. The second candlestick made a pullback. You can see here the pullback it made since here. It made this pullback to the previous resistance level, and then it closed far away from the opening price. As you can see, this is the opening, this is the closing price. So as it was telling me that the strength was bullish, was upward trend, and that's why I made the second entry here with this candlestick. Now, as you can see, this candlestick is a little bit weaker than the previous candlestick, so that's why I'm making the pullback to this level. Okay guys, if you have any question about this entry, let me know below this video on the comment section, please. And remember to join me on my Facebook group, my personal Facebook group. If you have any question, you can post it there or below this video. Also visit tradingtoearn.com. Okay guys, I see you on the next video.